Mining dump trucks are off-road dump trucks and are key transportation equipment in open-pit mining processes. They are suitable for intermittent mining operations in large open-pit coal mines, iron mines, non-ferrous metal mines and quarries, and can better meet users' requirements for high reliability, high safety, cost reduction, and efficiency improvement. Mining dump trucks are usually required to work in harsh terrain and environmental conditions. All Unite mining dump trucks have excellent off-road performance. This includes a powerful engine, high suspension, and large durable tires to cope with rugged roads and steep slopes.